Okay, guys, welcome back. My site just, oh my god. It had been running low.
How are we gonna run over now?
And this is part 2. Part 2. Do you know where there's a pizzeria right down? There's a pizzeria down there. Do you see the red light? That's where I go every day. But not through thunderstorms. Sometimes I go somewhere on thunderstorms. Like sometimes I went to go to see something. Oh no, I forgot my mind. One time I went to somebody's house, then after that I was hearing somebody's window and it says, "What is that?" And he said, "Oh, it's a thunderstorm." And I was so surprised because there's no raining, there's no wind blowing, just only happy skies. There's nothing else. Okay, I will show you not the blurries. This is like a snap. Everyone can see. Comment down below in the same video that you just heard about the first video. And comment down on the first video, how many flashing lights did you see? And what did you see at home? And what did you see from the comments? I know, it doesn't make sense, because that don't even make any sense. No way. No way! I saw a thunderstorm go, like a thunderbolt go right there. To somebody, somewhere. Where did it go now? Okay, there's the police. Oh, they're going to fix. I know, this is a slight problem. Okay, didn't went to there that I was supposed to go. Maybe it's going to fix the fire. Maybe. Okay. I'll be right over here. I'll be back. If I don't make it back, that means there's I need to talk to somebody. Back already. Comment down below if you want to let me sound like Jeffy. Okay, guys, I'm on my headphones. I cannot even hear you. I don't even hear anything, but I can only hear my air conditioner